Hi there mga kapatid, it's another day again and it's a new topic. Welcome to my channel. But before that, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para sa latest update and paki-like and share mo na rin. So, for today mga kapatid, tunghayan din natin yung naganap na hearing sa Senado regarding dun sa anak ni Nino Mulak na si Zandro Mulak or Sandro Mulak. I'm not sure if Z or S yung ano niya, yung spelling ng name niya. But anyway, so maganda yung naging kaganapan ngayon sa hearing. I know, ano pa rin to, hindi naman siya off topic kasi as I said in my intro, lahat naman ng pwedeng pinag-uusapan sa bansa matatakal natin kahit hindi lang sa bansa, kahit naman sa iba't ibang part ng mundo. So let's watch this. Just bear with me mga kapatid.
Kanina po na nag-executive session kami, nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga partido na nakausap namin at napag-desisyonan po ng komite na tunay po na sa tingin po namin meron pong kaukulan na dahilan para ma-file yung kaso.
So wait lang mga kapatid. So dito kasi para masundan natin, hindi kasi siya na-cover dito, pero napanood ko kanina. Before this part, merong first part na nagkaroon ata ng, meron na rin parang binigay na statement yung dalawang executive ng GMA, and then I think nanghingi sila ng break or executive meeting, parang ganon. Kaya ito, nandito na tayo. Kaya dinidiscuss na ni Senator Robin. So let's continue.
Pero siyempre po, katulad po ng sinasabi namin, hindi naman kami korte. Sa amin pong palagay, itong aming pagdinig, kailangan, siyempre, may boses ang lahat. Pero doon po sa naganap na executive session, malinaw po sa aming pagkakaintindi na ito po ay makakarating dapat sa dapat karatingan. Bibigay ko lang po uli kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Senator?
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Based on the discussions earlier during the executive session, and of course we cannot divulge first yet the the details of what transpired during the executive session. But what we all understand right now, and we agreed together with Senators Revilla, Padilla, Grace Po, and Senator Bato de la Rosa, there is a strong evidence against these two gentlemen. So we'll just hold it. We will just withhold all the information until all the pieces of evidence that are going to be gathered by the NBI are in. So the committee has given them 2 days to receive all the pieces of evidence. So maybe we can schedule the next hearing on Thursday together with all the parties concerned. Yes, Mr. Mulak.
Senator Jinggoy, I just want to, kasi napag-usapan na po namin na kanina kasi nakita ko yung when they swore na they would tell the truth and nothing but the truth, para ako na insulto na we're willing to now to na ilabas na ebidensya ng text messages just to prove na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Kasi talagang pinapalabas nila sa media, si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Ngayon lalabas na namin, willing na kami.
What about the NBI?
From my evidence,
if Attorney Conales, Laika what?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Mapayag na si Mr. Mulak in behalf of his son to divulge all your pieces of evidence on hand.
No, not all, Sen. Hanggang dun sa text lang. Kasi
yes, sa
I
text.
just want to prove them wrong na hindi si Sandro yung unang nag-text. Nagsisinungaling sila. So I think they should, di ba?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, if I may, the National Bureau of Investigation would maintain the confidentiality of all the pieces of evidence we have. However, Your Honor, we could not prevent the complainant or the subjects, on the other hand, to show it to the public if they may decide so, Your Honor.
So are you willing to divulge the text messages?
Insofar as we are concerned, Your Honor, we are bound by the Department Circular Number 48 Series of 1993.
But this is in aid of legislation. This it won't bar anything. In aid of legislation overrides sensitive matters in any case in another forum.
With all due respect, Your Honor, the NBI would like to maintain confidentiality of all evidence, Your Honor. However, should the complainant or the subjects, Your Honor, decide so to show it to the public, Your Honor, the NBI could not stop them so, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. You can proceed if you want to.
Your Honor, please. I just want to manifest to Honor that during the executive session, Your Honor, there was no May I proceed, Your Honor, please, Mr. Chair. It was not denied that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. It was not being denied. What was being denied, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. I think that was clear during the executive
Okay.
session.
Let's just listen first to the
Your Honor, please.
revelation of the statements of Mr. Mola.
We submit to that, Mr. Chair. Your
Have you did the COMSEC administer the oath?
I'm doing this just to kasi nainsulto talaga ako nung sinabi nilang sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text eh. That's why I'm doing this for my son. And for all the others na dumaan sa ganitong sitwasyon na walang kakayahang lumaban. This was the first text. At 3:59 a.m. Hi Sandro, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na? That was from
That
Jojo.
is 3:59 a.m.
Yes po.
What day?
And then sumagot si
Sa anong araw yun?
Ay, 20 po yung
August? July.
20 po yung gala. So this is 21 ng
21 na.
araw. Opo.
Okay.
Sir Jojo, sorry po. Di po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now dito sa Marriott, sir.
Sino nag-text yan?
Po?
Sino nag-text yan? Jojo.
Hindi. Yung text si Jojo, saw you kanina. Didn't get to say hi. Nakauwi ka na ba? Okay, sumagot si Sandro. Sir Jojo, sorry po. Hindi po kita nakita kanina. Naka-check-in po kami right now sa Marriott, sir. Yun yung sagot ni Sandro. Papa. Hope to see you soonest, Sir Jojo. See you soonest.
Sino nagsabi
Sir
nun?
Jojo.
Sino
Ha?
nagsabi nun?
Si Sandro.
Sandro. Okay, sabihin mo lang. From Sandro.
Is every
Para klaro sa tao.
event, lagi magbabati si Jojo kay Sandro lang. Hi Sandro, happy birthday, Merry Christmas. So matagal na silang
Okay, sige.
magka-text ng gano'n.
Proceed.
And then, nag-text ulit si Jojo. Po?
What time?
Wala.
Basta magkakasunod to na text.
Sige. Okay.
Enjoy. Still partying. Sino kasama mo?
Text si Jojo.
Text si Jojo. Kumakain lang po right now. Kasama ko po friends ko. Sila Miss Nate and Elijah Alejo.
Si Sandro yan.
Si Sandro yung nag-text. So sabi ni Jojo, be safe. Okay? Tapos sumagot ulit si Alonzo, si Sandro ng, thank you Sir Jojo. Hope to work with you. Hope to work with you again. See you soon po. Okay? Tapos, nag-text si Jojo. Nabitin ako sa inom. Ha 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 ha. Sabi ni Jojo. Tapos sumagot si Sandro ng, ako nga din po eh. Tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo. Yes, soon, cast kita. Yung reply niya was dun sa text ni Sandro na, thank you Sir Jojo, hope to work with you. See you soon po. So, Siguro, misa kasi may mga messages na papasok late na eh. So ito yung sagot naman ni nauna yung nabitin ako sa inom, kesa ron sa yes soon, ikakas kita, nagdidirect ako now. Sabi ni Jojo, wow sir, looking forward to that too. Oh, tapos sumagot ulit si Jojo, gusto mo ba? We have some alcohol here in the room. We can order some more. Saan po kayo sir? Sabi ni Sandro. Belmont Hotel, katabi lang ng Marriott's. So sabi ni Sandro, sino-sino po kayo sir? Ha 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 ha. Just me. Sumagot si Jojo. Just me. And then, matagal na yun, hindi nag-reply si Sandro. Siyempre, yung bata, nakita niyang siya na mag-isa, hindi na sumagot. Takot, di ba? Okay, so, after a while, siguro, nung na-realize na hindi na sumasagot si Sandro, at 4:37 a.m., ha ha ha, sumagot na si Jojo after a while, kasi hindi na nga nag-reply si Sandro. Ha ha ha, just kidding. Kasama ko the drama peeps. But we're wrapping up in a bit. Okay? Siyempre, kahit sinong artista na baguhan, given a chance na makasama mo yung drama peeps, you will take the chance. Dahil pagkakataon mo yun, i-market yung sarili mo eh. Makasama sila, makaparty mo. Di ba?
Siguro sabi ni Sandro, this is my opportunity.
Yes.
My cast.
That's why. Kaya nga,
I would also do the same.
naintindihan ko naman siya doon sa point na yun. Pero, sabi ko, mali pa rin yung oras. That was yung kumbaga, sermon ko bilang magulang. Mali yung oras. Pero syempre, Sandro is of age already. 22 years old na siya, ha?
That was what time? 4?
37.
In the morning.
Yes po. And then, sir, andyan ba kayo, sir? Kasi nga, I'm with the drama peeps eh, di ba? So sabi ni Sandro, andyan ba kayo, sir? Baka po pwede dumaan saglit. Ha 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 ha. Kabababa ko lang po. Hindi. Sumagot mo na siya ng sure. May kasama ka?
Your Honor, please, we would like to, because we also have a copy of the...
Can you let Mr. Mulak finish first before you rebut or...
We submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Sure. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Kabababa ko lang po sa room ng friends ko. Ox. Sabi ni Jojo. And then, no po. May kasama ka? No po, ako lang. Ox, Belmont Hotel, 700B. Okay po, akit po ako. Just proves na sila yung una nag-text. So, di ba?
But they admitted na kayo una nag-text, diba?
Yes, Your Honor. There was no denial that it was my client who first texted, Your Honor. There was no denial with respect to that, Your Honor. The only matter that my client was denying was, Your Honor, was with regard to the invitation. That is our allegation, Your Honor.
Bakit yung pinalabas sa media na si Sandro yung una nag-text?
Your Honor, we have no... wala po kami pinapalabas po sa media na si Sandro ang unang nag-text, Your Honor. There was no like that. We just mentioned that there was a message like that, Your Honor.
But you did not mention the prior conversation, the prior text before you
Yes.
you came out with that text.
Yes, Your Honor, because it
The
was an
media.
answer to a question by a media first.
Hindi, pinalalabas nyo kasi, base ron sa text na yun, na pinalalabas ninyo, na sige, pupunta muna ako dyan saglit.
Dumaan saglit. Okay.
Kaya, yan ang pinalalabas nyo sa media eh. So you were making it appear that it was Sandro who first texted Jojo.
It was not our intention, Your Honor. We just mentioned it
Ang hirap kasi,
as an existence. There's an existent text, Your Honor.
ang hirap kasi, you did not mention, paulit-ulit na lang ako kanina, you did not mention the previous text. That's why Sandro prompted to text you like that, to text him like that. Nadadaan ako dyan because Sandro, nung nag-text si Jojo na sinabi, I am with the drama peeps. So, komportable si Sandro na pumunta doon dahil may maraming tao. Oh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Jojo doon sa text na ako lang, hindi nag-reply si Sandro eh. It took a while for him to reply because Jojo texted again, no, joke lang. I am with the drama peeps. That's why he was convinced and he went to the room of ano. That's why he texted that text na sige, dadaan lang ako saglit. Ganun lang yun.
We submit, Your Honor, with respect to all the messages, Your Honor. It's just that we have to include, Your Honor, also the whole message, Your Honor, stating that after he messaged, kasama ko the drama peeps, but we're wrapping up in a bit, Your Honor.
Yeah, sinabi naman niya.
Yes, Your Honor. We just want to manifest that, Your Honor, and to put that on record.
It is up to the courts to appreciate
Submit to that, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
your pieces of evidence. We are not a court here. We are here to investigate in aid of legislation.
Yes, Your Honor. We submit, Your Honor.
What else do you want to say?
Then, Your Honor, since, Your Honor, there's already an investigation being conducted by the...
Yeah, this is a different investigation. I don't care about the investigation of NBI or DOJ. This is another investigation in aid of legislation. We can conduct an investigation anytime we want in aid of legislation.
We submit to that, Your Honor, but with respect to the text messages, we have no further...
We want to, because here we want to ferret out the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
No further manifestation, Your Honor, with regard to the text message. Let be on record, Your Honor, what we have mentioned, Your Honor, as our counter-allegation to that, Your Honor. That is only...
But you still, your two clients still deny that there was no drugs involved.
Your Honor, as of the moment, they're invoking the right for self-incrimination, Your Honor, because, Your Honor, whatever question that may be asked to them, Your Honor, would be incriminating to them, Your Honor. So they're invoking the right
because
to self-incrimination.
according to Mr. Mulak, during the meeting held in Attorney Annette's house, tinanong ni Mr. Mulak yung dalawa, was there any drugs involved? Hindi sumagot.
Your Honor, I think...
Ano yan? Silence means yes?
Your Honor, during the executive session, which I don't want to divulge, Your Honor, since it's an executive session, it was already being answered by my client, Your Honor, that specific question. But since this is an
What
open...
was their answer?
During the executive session,
No.
they denied, Your Honor, during the executive session.
Yeah, of course.
But that is, Your Honor, I believe that during...
So they still deny that. Now I'm asking you,
Yes, Your Honor.
walang drugs involved or
Yes, Your Honor, they're denying that.
bakit ang tagal nila sumagot nung tinanong ni Mr. Mulak sa bahay ni Attorney Annette? 3 times daw.
As per my client, Your Honor, they're denying that matagal po silang sumagot. So at any rate, Your Honor, it's an allegation versus counter-allegation, Your Honor.
Okay, you let your client answer. You're only
Submit,
there
Your
to
Honor.
give legal advice.
Your Honor, nung tinanong niya po kami point blank, hindi po kami, wala po kaming hesitation. Sinabi lang po namin na no.
Ba't nagtagal ka
Wala
bago
po kaming
sumagot?
masamang ginawa sa anak
At
mo.
yung lawyer mo sinabi, they invoke the right to self-incrimination.
Yes,
Yan naman
kasi
lagi yan ang gasgas na linya pag nabubuking.
hindi po, Your Honor. Wala pong nabubuking, wala po kaming inaaming allegations. We're denying all allegations. We're just, Your Honor, respectfully, we have constitutional rights too, and we just want our rights to be protected in this forum. There's a process that's ongoing. There's a case filed against us, and we would like to answer that in the proper forum, Your Honor. That's why we're invoking that, but not because we're guilty, because we maintain our innocence. We are not guilty. We have said this over and over. There was no hesitation when he asked us, and I said, no, wala kaming ginawa masama sa anak mo.
So, Jojo, Mr. Chairman, with your permission. So, Jojo, you're denying the sexual harassment allegation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung angle na yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yes, Your Honor. No.
You still deny
Yes, Your Honor.
that there were drugs involved.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano yung diniktik mong powder substance?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Baka lumabas sa
So
investigation yan.
Jojo, ibig mo sabihin nagsisinungaling si Sandro?
Well, I cannot speak po for Sandro Mulak,
Kasi-
Your Honor.
I saw him personally after 2 days. Is that correct? The next day. The guy is really shaking. Masyadong apektado siya. No? Talagang na-trauma yung bata eh. So kung yung bata ganun ng reaksyon, me personally, nakita ng dalawang mata ko, ikaw, kilala din kita, kasama ka namin sa project, but ang sa akin lang, siyempre doon lang tayo maninindigan sa tama eh, no? Dahil so unfair. And si Nino pa. You know Nino. Diba? Alam mo, hindi na usapin dito yung issue about you, issue about the Mulak, so Sandro. Ang issue dito ngayon, yung pangkalahatan, we want to avoid this, yung ganito mangyari muli. Ang daming lumalabas na nagpuputukan sa iba't ibang istasyon, ito mga naaabuso, ganito, ganyan. Yun ang iniiwasan natin. Kaya Mr. Chairman, no, anyway, siyempre, ang lalabas dito ngayon, he said that, ganito, ganito. So, leave it to the committee kung ano man yung magiging decision nyo. But sa tandaan ninyo, hindi kami na may personal dito. Yung sa atin lang in aid of legislation para ma-avoid natin at maiwasan na maulit yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Pero sa totoo lang, ako, me personally, nakita ko yung bata, nanginginig siya. Sa mata ko, totoo yung sinasabi niya. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Senator Jinggoy? Okay po.
Siguro, we'll schedule another hearing with the permission of the chair. I hope si Sandro can attend the next hearing if he's physically fit to...
Senator, I will
Yeah.
talk to him and also to the behavioral science. Siyempre, hihingin ko pa rin po yung advice din po ng doctor kung okay na, kung feeling nila kaya na ni Sandro. Although, Sandro told me that he really wants to. Kaso yun nga lang, nag-advise yung behavioral science na huwag muna. Siyempre, mas pinakinggan ko yung expert, di ba?
Of course.
Pero he personally wants to talaga.
Alright, NBI, siguro tapos na kayo mangolekta ng mga ebidensya ninyo by the time, Thursday. Oh,
Good afternoon again,
all right.
your honorable senators. We actually scheduled to see Sandro again on Wednesday. On Wednesday for the third mental status examination. And of course, it would be up to the parents and the council if if Sandra is willing also. However, at this point in time, the way we see it, I agree with Senator Bong. He is in trauma and it's going to be difficult for him to appear in public because somehow it nanunumbalik po sa kanya yung pangyayari. Yung simptoma po na nakikita namin, kung patuloy pong ma-expose siya dito, it will exacerbate the symptoms that he is undergoing. But of course, it would be up to Sandro, their counsel, and the parents.
Okay, we will just leave it up to the father and the opinion of your division. Okay. Attorney Laika ba? Conales.
Yes, Your Honor.
So
Like, Your Honor.
pwede nang makolekta yung mga ebidensya ninyo by Wednesday, so we can hear. We will conduct another hearing on Thursday with the permission of the chair.
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I hope it would be amenable with the Honorable Committee that the NBI be given time to file the case if there would be any, Your Honor, before a discussion would have to be made, Your Honor. I hope that would be amenable with the
Kaya
committee, Your
may
Honor.
binabasa ako. Ano ulit sabi mo?
Kung maaari po kaya, Your Honor, na mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng NBI na mag-file ng kung meron mang kaso bago po sana natin i-discuss sa publiko, Your Honor. However, Your Honor, the NBI would be willing to provide to you the report for purposes of the Senate Committee's appreciation, Your Honor. The only plea of the National Bureau of Investigation is that before any case would be filed or the investigation be terminated, that the same would not be disclosed to the public, Your Honor.
When are you going to file?
We hope to file the case within the week, Your Honor, if there would be any case to be filed, Your Honor.
If there's no case to be filed.
The investigation would have to be terminated, Your Honor, if there would be no case to be filed, Your Honor. A report would similarly be made by the Bureau, Your Honor, and the same would be submitted to the Honorable Committee's appreciation, Your Honor.
Basta sabi ni Sandro, when you testified earlier, na ayaw nila makita yung dalawa.
Yan talaga yung inaalala ni Sandro. Ayaw niya kasi makita ng personally yung dalawa.
Yeah. Alright. Pwede
Which,
siya pwede
lahat
ba,
naman po yata ng ganong klaseng kaso, ganun talaga yung naging
alright, pwede ba siya virtual?
I will asking mga po.
So,
tonight.
pwede. Ano opinion ni Miss Lumampaw? Pwede siya sumagot sa mga tanong online?
I think, Your Honor, it would be better if
Huwag nila focus sa kanya yung camera. Pag
Okay.
siya nag-testify.
If he will just appear in a close executive session with you than virtual. So that mas maganda po kasi yung nakikita nyo talaga yung behavioral observation upfront. But of course, it will be up to the parent and their counsel. And of course, because Sandra is already of age, he can decide po.
Mhm. Where's the mother of Sandro?
Yes, sir.
Where's the mother of Sandro?
Sa States po.
Ah, okay. So binigyan ng nanay yung consent.
Opo, since he was 8 years old, ako lang nagpalaki kay Sandro.
Okay. So, kailan na?
Meron po akong 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes pa bago po kami mag-session. May tanong lang po ako kay Attorney Lorna Kapunan, ma'am. So, sa mga narinig nyo po, hindi po ba qualified na yung sa mga doon po sa text messages, ano? Isang mabilis lang pong explanation. Hindi po ba to bumabagsak doon sa verbal? Meron po ba doon pa sa text messages meron ng verbal abuse o may sexual abuse na po doon sa pinag-usapan po nila? Doon pa lang po sa text messages. Sa palagay niyo po?
Kasi yung harassment, hindi lang po physical, pwedeng verbal, miski na true or hindi, merong emotional at saka psychological po. Kung pwede ko lang nadagdag, no, in the last 3 minutes, kasi yung pag pinag-uusapan pong sexual harassment, hindi lang po yung sexual harassment law ang dapat tignan ng Senado. 4 po yan. Meron tayong Sexual Harassment Act, meron tayong Revised Penal Code sa Act of Lasciviousness, meron po tayong Revised Penal Code on Rape, at yung sinabi niyo po, yung expanded definition ng rape to include already men. No? At lastly, meron po tayong Safe Space Act. Sa palagay ko po, sa more than 40 years of practice ko, lalong-lalong dito sa involved naman ako sa industriya, on both sides, no, complainant and the accused, kailangan po talagang palitan o amendahan ang law natin. First of
What
all,
particular law, attorney?
in particular, the anti-sexual.
All of the laws that you mentioned?
Yes po.
Are they obsolete? Especially the revised penal code.
The areas that have to be amended.
Attorney, just to
Yes po, on all the laws
because,
po.
Yeah. Can you just put it in a writing
Yes.
piece of paper so the committee can study it?
We will do that
pwedeng
po.
lumabas sa committee report yan.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Ang idadagdag ko lang, because this is the Committee on Media, ang dihado po dito ang victim, lalong-lalo na sa case namin, practicing lawyer, ang court po nag-o-order ng gag rule. So yung victim hindi makasalita. At ang kalaban is either big business or the industry. So talagang dihado na nga sa batas, dihado pa sa media. So sana tanggalin natin yung gag order na yan para level ang playing field. Thank you po.
Pag sinabi niyong may gag order, applicable, educate this committee, applicable ba sa Senate yan? Because we're doing this in aid of legislation.
Yes po, because like for instance, well, it's public knowledge, no? This is not violation of the gag order rule. It's public knowledge that we represent Gretchen Pulido. And this case has been pending for 6 years. It has not been resolved. It's pending in court, pero hindi po nalalaman ng publiko sapagkat may gag order.
Rule.
And unfortunately, because of the gag order rule, victims cannot ventilate yung cases of sexual harassment because media is controlled by companies na sponsors nila, na ang industriya, di ba? At kung minsan ang perpetrators mga bossing. Kanya yung CODI na yan, dapat tignan rin natin yung CODI, yung Committee on Decorum and Investigation, parang dihado rin ang victims dyan because no witness will appear and side with the victim. Kasi yung witness na yan, matatanggalin sa trabaho. Hindi ho ba? Yung witness na yan, matatakot rin. Miski na victim pa rin, wala pong sumusuporta sa mga victims because yung membro po ng mga CODI at sinabi na po mga television stations here that were present said that they have a CODI, but who will testify against upper management? Ganun lang po. Tingnan po lang natin. At lastly na lang po, kagaya po ng sinabi ni Sir Nino Mulak, the trauma it has caused. So dapat yung penalties, napakaliit po ng penalty. 1 hanggang 30 days lang po ang sexual harassment at ang fine. Miski na guilty ka, bayaran mo na lang yan eh. Dapat taasan ang penalty at hindi lang yon mag-create ng trust fund para sa victim so that the victim will get assistance for the trauma and the psychological effect. Yun lang po. We will submit a position paper on the matter. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Attorney Kapunan, for your inputs or insights with regard to amending the laws that you have mentioned. Actually, some of them or all of them might be obsolete already kasi katulad nga sinabi niyo, mabababa yung jail term o mababa yung fine. Kahit sino pwede lang bayaran. Kasi mababa lang yung ano. That's well appreciated, Attorney Kapunan. Mr. Chair.
So, there you go, mga kapatid. Napanood natin yung Senate hearing. I think meron pa silang susunod na hearing and sinabi din nila na ipepresent na nila si Sandro. Which is, medyo, yun nga lang, nag-iingat sila kasi nga, yung trauma dun sa bata. Ang ano kasi niyan, yung mga nagaganyan, yung mga nahaharas, ganyan. Yung trauma kasi nila, yung iba, nag-end up sila ng depression, ganyan, pag hindi na ma-manage. Which is, maganda yung diniscuss ni attorney na parang kailangan na talaga nilang, siguro i-revise lang yung batas nila or something na gano'n. Yung, basta yung sa, ipoprotect nila yung mga taong naharas kasi sa totoo lang parang nowadays ang dami ng ganyang mga cases yung nangyari din sa TV5 yung regarding dun sa staff ng TV5 wherein may ganyan ulit parang abuse parang 'di ba yung binanggit ni attorney regarding Gretchen Pulido na dati pa yan ang tagal-tagal na nila hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nasosolve so maganda dahil yung ganyan na may mga hearing para na alam mo yun nakaka-formulate talaga sila ng batas which is talagang yun naman yung trabaho talaga nila. So abangan natin yung susunod na hearing na sinabi na nirequest nga kung pwede nang mag-appear si Sandro. Pero syempre, yun nga, hindi mo naman maiwasan na kapag nakita nga niya yung mga taong gumawa sa kanya nun, hindi talaga yan siya healthy. Pwedeng, alam mo yun, mag-trigger pa kasi yun ng mental health, status niya. Which is, iba kasi yun pagka yung mga tao na nakakaranas ng ganyan, yung nagkakaroon sila ng trauma, yung swerte na nga lang talaga yung iba na hindi talaga sila nag-end up na para, gurgurin yung sarili nila. Siguro masasabi natin na pwede na tayong pasalamat kay ninyo kasi sobrang support. Tsaka feeling ko naman di naman bias yung ganyan na pagdinig nila, dahil may mga iba kasi nagko-comment na puro artista kasi yung nagpapahiring ganyan, si Robin daw, si Jinggoy, tsaka si si Bong Revilla, puro daw celebrity, kaya yung inaakasuhan naman, parehas naman sila na nasa circle ng ng showbiz, kasi nga syempre part din naman sila ng organization ng GMA, so part pa rin yun, nasa circle pa rin sila. So hindi yun, irrelevant yung mga nagko-comment na gano'n na mas kampi yung mga committee kay Sandro, kasi kung kayo if you put yourself under dun sa shoes ni Sandro, syempre iba rin yung pakiramdam, 'di ba? So hindi yun, hindi irrelevant talaga yun yung mga ganong comment. So yeah, that's it. Yun lang yung naging comment ko dyan. So that's the end. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe News ko po RD. Please like and share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.